this question. A staircase has a total of 15 steps. If you can climb up 1 or 2 steps at a time, in how many ways can you reach the top of the staircase, right? So there is this staircase which has 15 steps, but you can climb only 1 or 2 steps at a time. So in how many ways can you reach the top of the staircase, right? So technical way of doing it, let's just find the technical way. I know there are 15 steps, right? Or I can take steps either 1 or I can take 2 steps, right? Either I can take 1 step at a time or 2 steps at a time, right? So we have to cover this distance of 15 steps in these 2 terms only, right? So what are the possibilities? I can use 7 steps, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? I can use 2 steps 7 times to reach 14 units plus 1 step to get 15 steps, right? This is the possibility, and the relative arrangement of these 1 and 2 will give me different number of ways of reaching to the top, right? Relative arrangement of these 1 and 2 would give me number of ways to reach this, to complete these 15 steps, right? For example, there is this specific way when I take 2 steps 7 times and then take 1 step to reach 15 steps. Second arrangement or one more arrangement of this type can be, I can take 1 step initially and then 7 times I can take 2 steps, right? So that I can reach 15 steps. So the arrangement, relative arrangement of these 1 and 2 would give me a unique way to reach the 15 steps, to complete the 15 steps. So what I have to do, I have to find how many such possibilities are there, right? And we have to write down the number of ways of arranging these objects, right? For example, I can use 6 twos, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 12 steps are complete. 12, 13, 14, 15. I can take 3 1 steps. Then I can use 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times. 10 are complete. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can use 5 ones and 5 twos. I can use 4 twos and I can use 7 ones. Right? I can use 7 ones because 4 into 2 is 8 and 7 15 steps. I can use 3 twos and 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? I can use 2 twos and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Right? I can use 1, 2 and then 13. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And I can use all single steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the technical way of doing it, right? That we can take steps in these formats. Now, number of ways of arranging these objects. How many objects are there? 7 and 1, 8. So the number of arrangements would be 8 factorial divided by. These objects are of same type, so I am dividing it by 7 factorial, it becomes 8. Now, number of ways of arranging these objects, how many objects are there? 6 and 3, 9. So 9 factorial upon how much? This is 9 factorial upon 6 of one type and 3 of one type. कितना हो जाएगा ये? 9, 8, 7 divide by 6 cancels, 3 factorial means 6. So 3, 3, 3 2 times, 2 4 times, 4 and 3 12 and 7 84. right? Then 5 and 5, so 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 5 factorial, it becomes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 upon 5 factorial is 120. So 12, 6, 2 times, 4 times, 4, 9 into 7, 63 and 4. For 240 plus 12, 252, it becomes 252, right? Then fourth case, when there are 11 factorials, 4 of one kind, 7 of one kind, so 11, 10, 9, 8 divided by 4 factorial, which is 24, 8 3 times, 3 times. So 330 is there. Then 12 factorial upon 3 and 9 factorial, which is 12, 10 upon 6, 2 times. Oh sorry, I missed 11, so it becomes 220, right? Then 13 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 of one kind and 11 objects of one kind, it becomes 13, 12 by 2, which is 13, 6 is 78, right? And it becomes 14 factorial divided by 13 factorial, and last is nothing but one case, right? To reach 15 steps, I am taking one step. So there is only one way to reach the top in this manner, right? So 14 factorial upon 13 factorial would be 14. It is 1. So we have to add these number of ways. How much it become? 84 and 8, 92. 92 plus 78 become 170. So it become 170 and 330 becomes 500, right? So 500 plus 472 plus 15. This is the answer. 7, 8, 9. So 987 is the correct answer. So this is the technical painful way. Or second way of doing this question is, I'm erasing this part. Second way of doing it is given that I have to complete 15 steps. Now I can only climb 1 or 2 steps at a time, right? 1 or 2 steps at a time. Now if total steps, listen carefully, if total steps are 1, right? So I can, number of ways to reach the top or to reach at this stair would be only one way, right? Only one way. कौन सा होगा वो? 0th स्टेप से आप कहां जा रहे हो? पहले स्टेप पे. एक ही स्टेप पे कंप्लीट हो गया एक तरीका. If total steps are 2, number of ways would be, कैसे? 2 स्टेप्स हैं तो या तो मैं 0 से 1 एंड देन 1 से 2 जा सकता हूं, और दूसरा तरीका क्या हो जाएगा? क्योंकि आई कैन टेक 2 steps at a time, तो 0 से 2 डायरेक्टली भी जा सकता हूं. There are 2 ways, right? If there are 3 steps, total 3 steps, so how can in how many ways can I reach these 3 steps, right? So first way is I can take this 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? One step each. I can go to 0 to 2 and then 3, right? Or I can go from 0 to 1 and then 1 to 3, taking 2 steps. So there are 3 number of ways, right? If there are total 4 steps, how can I go to top? 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the one way. 0, then 1. I can jump 2 steps, or I can go to 2 and then 4. Right? This is the second. Third, 0, 1. I can go to 3 and then 4. Right? I can go 0 to 2 and 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Also, I can use 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. How many ways are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 number of ways. Now, for different total steps, number of ways coming out in a special series. And this special series is known as Fibonacci series. Right? In Fibonacci series, this term is the sum of previous two terms. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 and 8 is 21. And 21 and 13 is 34 and so on. This is Fibonacci series. So for 15 steps, I can find the total number of steps, and total number of steps for number of ways for to reach 15 steps would come 987. So correct answer to this question is 987, right?